Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this new video. Guys, today I'm here to explain you about Brushin.com reviews. Guys, in this video, I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. In case guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the homepage of this website guys, and it is an online shopping store that claims to provide the magnetic stickers and high quality hand painted Spain Flemco 3D fridge magnet travel souvenirs home decoration refrigerator magnetic stickers. So overall they are providing magnetic stickers on this website at affordable price. Now guys, coming to the payment information of this site, you can see the only mode of payment which is available on this site is PayPal, as given at the bottom of the web page. And coming to the shipping policy of this site, let's check out the shipping policy. So this is between 2 to 5 business days, and the orders will ship around 3 to 5 business days guys. So this was the shipping information, and let's discuss other information. But before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And guys, let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this site as a scam or legit website. So guys, the site is using a secure and valid HTTPS connection, which is a positive sign. But when it comes to the domain information of this particular site, this site was created on 25th of March 2021. It means that this site is only 6 days old guys, and according to a study, the domain is registered for 1 year only. So this is not defined, this factor is not applicable for defining its legitimacy guys, because the site can't be trusted on the basis of its domain age, which is a newly launched website. Now coming to the company's detail, let's check out the about us page of this particular site. So this is the about us page, but they have provided limited information. No info is available regarding the brand connection info, business establishment year, business owner name, which is a negative sign guys. Apart from that, they have mentioned a wrong content in the about us page. They have mentioned the email address, and in the instead of telephone number they have provided the contact person name. So this is a negative sign again. Coming to the contact details, let's check out the contact us page. So here they have provided the entire contact details, which are suspicious guys. Apart from that, the email which is given on this web page matches with the domain name, which is a good sign, but we can't trust on this website on the basis of the email address only. Now coming to the social media presence, so the site has no social media icon on the website. Apart from that, this site has no social media presence at all, which again makes the site quite suspicious. Now talking about the return policy of this website, you need to check out the shipping and return policy page, and here they have mentioned 14 days of return policy. So guys, do comment about your experience regarding return or refund of the product. It will give benefit to other customers. And apart from that, this website is not much popular because this site is a newly launched website. And coming to the Brushin.com reviews, no reviews are available regarding the site or products on the website or official website, which is again a negative sign guys. This site contains so many loopholes, including the short expectancy domain, hidden information about the business or about business offering, and this website is hosted in a high risk country as well. So you need to be aware while making any online purchase or while reviewing a website. So guys, based on the following loopholes, we can conclude this review by saying that this site is a suspicious site and you need to stay away from such type of scam or suspicious site guys. If you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thank you for watching this video guys. Have a good day.